This is the under desk drawer from Amazon. Let's open up and see what we got. Instructions as they showed you with the screws and the washers, the handle, and 6 screws to hold the side pieces on with washers as well. And the cable ties, when you're running your cables in there, those are cable ties to hold the cable ties. Here's the handle, is a plastic handle, and these screws, small screws. There's an extra one. They're very small screws, Phillips #1, and it goes with a washer as well. Small washer. That's the size screw. It's going to go in there and hold that handle. A magnetic screwdriver. Put the drawer handle in. Having that magnetic screwdriver helps a lot. We've got the handle on now. And we're going to put these slides in. The whole drawer goes underneath, and there's 3 holes to bolt it or screw it in underneath. A small Allen wrench shape, and this is the actual #1 Phillips on it, so they do give you a screwdriver. Using a big extender to put the 6 screws that hold these sliders in place underneath.
I wiped all the shelves in place before I installed the screws.
Coreminded under desk drawer. It's meant for a desk, but I'm going to use it for this is my drill press here, my Ryobi drill press, so to keep all my drill bits here. There's kind of like a wool liner here. It's 12 inches in length here, 4 inches nice and deep, 4 inches here. You can get them in 7.5 inches, 13 inches, 17 inches, and 21.5 inches. So I just lined it up here, put the drawer in. I use this special long drill bit here to get the screws in underneath. That was the hardest part, to line this up underneath. 15-pound, that's the maximum weight you can use in this drawer. My drill bit set, nice set. I'll keep this inside. Nice drawer to keep all my drill bits for my drill press. On a second drawer, this is like only 2.8 inches deep, so just put your tools in there. These are all Klein screwdrivers. 21.5 inches the length of it, and the depth is about 14 inches. So more for tools. So this is kind of a drawer. This part is getting underneath here to insert the 6 screws that hold this drawer in place. But this Coreminded drawer is ideal for all kinds of things here, not even for a desk, even for a little workshop here. So please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, it helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great evening, people. See you on the next video. Take care of yourselves.